delegates, we are moving forward for better future and better world. Let us join together to presidency of healing, harmony and hope. Let us work together to shape our. Let's brainstorm better solution to the problems we face with everyone's cooperation. Let us not discuss about the other issues and the problems and the solution and suggestions. Let me now invite them.
My country is 8th largest country in the world. Has vast country located in southern part of the South America. It is second largest country in the South America after Brazil, and it's about one-third of the size of United States. My country bounded by the Andes Mountain and Chile to the west. My country benefits from rich natural resources. My country is world famous. In addition to being a country that has responded to most international human rights treaties, has been relevant to global regional framework across the relevant policy areas, from humanitarian actions to being a climate change and disaster risk reduction. We facing some issues. More than half of children under 14 years living in poverty and more than one in 10 in extreme poverty. So, any delegate, please possible my country issue as well as. Thank you.
Mr. Urban, in your country you are facing problem and telling the suggestions of we have to prevent when we educate children, provide clean water, where these are health issues, to provide ensure basic health care, improve childhood nutrition and prevent the child marriages. These all are suggestions you take in your country. You solve these problems. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Saudi Arabia, for your valuable suggestions. Going to Prime Minister from Australia, Anthony Albanese.
Okay.
Until 1901, Australia was not a contested nation to be. It was six separate colonies governed by Britain. They converted to join to form a new water entity, the Commonwealth of the Australia in 1901. The Australia goes failure to address the secreted by government is the nation in the form of system colonies, and the treatment of the Australia is noted by the Australia. The colonies and standard the education issues. The Federal Education Minister Cal Hazard was commissioned in various review into a greater, better and education in system. In Australia, that faced and struggled the biodiversity and deforestation. Thank you.
Any delegate to give solution for this problem? Delegate from Canada.
Deforestation can be defined as the large scale of removal of forests and trees or other lands from the fertilization of human activities. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Canada, for your valuable suggestion. Now, Prime Minister from Brazil, Luiz Inácio.
Brazil is the largest country in South America and in Latin America. Brazil is the world's fifth largest country by area and seventh most populous country in the world. It has Amazon basin, includes a variety of spices and ecological system. In 2024, the G20 summit will take place in Brazil and from 12 to 14 July 2024. The theme of G20 summit in Brazil is financial, sustainable infrastructure and climate change. There are about 228 languages spoken in the Brazil. Football is the main sport in Brazil and it is known as FIFA. Artificial intelligence is healthcare marketing projected to grow $0.17 billion in 2022 to $3.60 billion at 2030. We face some problems, mostly the poverty and low economy due to Brazil is the 7th highest population country in the world and people suffered with poverty, so we began some schemes to poor people, and government also do their level best. Thank you.
Any delegate to give solution for this problem? Delegate from Italy.
Mr. Luis Inacia, Brazil has been very successful in elevating much of its own poverty in particular thought. A government program known as Bolsa Família to combine increase the minimum wage, some improvements in the annual income.
Thank you, delegate from Italy, for your solution. Now, Prime Minister from Canada, Justin Trudeau.
My country is the vast and rugged land. From north to south, it spans more than of the northern hemisphere. My country is the second largest country in the world. Ice hockey is considered to be the most popular sport in my country. Future of in my country is achieving net zero green gas emission by 2050. Artificial intelligence in my country is a world leading researchers. Artificial intelligence hook and has largest growth career opportunities in this field. We have some problems. Population, air population and education. More parents will be abandon the public school systems. Thank you.
Any delegate to give suggestions for this problem? From Australia.
Among the reasons parents are choosing bespoke learning, they must be learned and they studied at the curricula and to the promise of liberalization and that the students need to study. Air pollution in Canada is contributed industries and they convert to planting their air pollution. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Australia. Now, Prime Minister from China, Jinping. My country is situated in Eastern Asia on the western coast of the Pacific Ocean with an area of 9.6 million. My country annual considerable regular vacuum southern China experience in tropical climate. We have facing some problem unemployment. Any delegate to give solution for this problem? Delegate from Japan.
Measures to solve the unemployment problem include the change industrial, technological, and the project reduces seasonal and the unemployment. Change in the education system.
Thank you, delegate from Canada. Now going to Prime Minister from France, Elizabeth Borne.
The largest country in Western Europe has long been a gateway between the continent, north and southern region. It's Germany and northern Belgium in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Pyrenees Mountain and Spain in the south. Artificial intelligence, Europe Parliament seems open. Source has an opportunity not but for France but for the whole continent. Future of work, we can expect e-learning and skill updates to become increasingly in the coming years. As per 60% of the jobs that will be practiced in 2030 do not exist. Will be some companies are focused on verticals of this employee life cycle. Others have horizontal opportunity. We face some issues. Human rights. In September, the government announced that free possible available only to girls under 18 would be extended to women up to the age 25 begin in 2022. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest for this problem?
Yes.
Delegate from Mexico.
human granted the right to vote. However, it was only during the 2023 that they during the vote and the getting permission for his husbands, and in addition to the right to permission personal bank account. Thank you.
Delegate from Mexico for your valuable suggestion. Now, President from Germany, Frank Walter.
My country is the official Federal Republic Center. My country is the western region and the center of Europe. Country is the most popular country in the Europe. My country is one of the country in the G20 summit. The whole of the country is divided into 16 states. The 16 states are divided into 401 administrates. The capital city of my country is Berlin. Berlin is one of the largest city in my country. The GDP is 4.435 lakh of crores. Nature of culture is shaped by the Christmas and October. The football is the main and a popular sport in my country. International football team is winning the FIFA World Cup on 2014. The international football team is winning the FIFA World Cup on the 1954 and 1972 and 1996 and 2014. My country's future works are Red Bank and New Jersey and global health. My country is facing some problems that are promoting during and the peace in time of war, and help there and your suggestions as far as possible. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest for this problem?
Mr. Frank Walter, the federal government systemic incursion, the gender perspective is paramount. Treat all people kindness, regardless of race, gender orientation, sexual orientation and religion.
Thank you, delegate from South Africa, for your valuable suggestion. Now, Prime Minister from India, Narendra Modi.
My country begins with the Indus Valley civilization and the coming of the Aryans. The history of the world beginning after the Middle Ages. My country is 17th largest country in the world. My country is growing nation in now making studies in the fields of technology, science and sports of the economy. In addition to having the highest population in the world, my country ranks 5th in economic and 17th industry. My country has 28 states with Delhi serving as the national capital. India is a popular tourist destination due to its different culture and large varieties of food and culture. Overpopulation has been a major impediment to the country's progress and one of the major social issues in the India. In the current times, about 1.3 billion people live in my country, making it the second most popular country in the world. Such a problem impedes a country's economic progress. India, our mother, land and stand for unity of diversity. One land, one family, one future. Thank you very much.
Any delegate for this problem? Delegate from Indonesia.
Mr. Narendra Modi increases in marriage age. Maximum age of minimum of boys and girls should be increased. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Indonesia, for your solution. Now, Indonesia President Joko Widodo.
My country is largest country in Southeast Asia. My country officially the Republic of Indonesia is an island nation in Southeast Asia and ocean between it of India and the Pacific Ocean. It contains of over 70,000 islands. including Sumatra, Java and parts of the Bromo and the Jinwa. Indonesia is home is the world largest Muslim population. 2023 climate across the Indonesia over and April to 2023 rainfall. Conditions vary geographically across Indonesia, growing from the below and above. Normal conditions in comparison of the long-term average. Thank you.
My country is in the significant challenge persists, including systems, discriminations and valuations against monetary groups, use of defamations and many serious social problems remain unsolved, including political instability, unrest and armed human rights violations, and poverty, critical awareness of climate change policies. People and the availability of space for people take action to express their ideas or promises for new Indonesia. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest for this problem? Delegate from Turkey.
Mr. Joko Widodo, I want to give one suggestion to your country. Indonesian civil society organizations play a role in chipping away a social norm and structural barriers to gender equality. I hope it is prevent possible the country problem.
Please delegate from Italy for your solution. Now, Prime Minister from Italy, Georgia.
My country in Southern Europe is a member of the European Union. Its official name is the Italian Republic. More than 25,000 years ago, a group of people known as the Etruscans began building a civilization in West Central country. Italian culture is Western culture. My country is the wellspring of Western civilization. Italy is considered one of the birthplaces of Western civilization and a culture superpower. Vocational education and training for the future of work system for digitalization and future of work technologies. The vocational educational and training related fields has skills and labor market, skills and changing societies, skills and changing workplace. The National Health Service in Italy assists and provides residents with free or low-cost health care. Peace buildings in Italy. Italy's commitment to peace includes a strengthened support for UN activities in the areas of peace building and preventive diplomacy, which was recognized in Italy's Free Entry. Italy national football team. Italy is one of the most successful national teams in the history of football and the World Cup, having won 4 titles. Best 24 artificial intelligence master's degrees in my country. Artificial intelligence degrees teach students how to use advanced mathematics, computer science and engineering to create systems and missions. Example, robots, drones capable of solving problems that normally require natural intelligence. My country, we are facing some struggles in 2 years in poverty and inequality. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest? Delegate
I
from
am giving the suggestion. Method to reduce the inequality and relative poverty include progressive taxes which involves increasing taxes rates on high income earns wealth taxes which involve taxing a protection of any individual of net worth above a created reducing payroll taxes which are taxes on employees and employers.
Thank you, delegate from UK, for your solution. President from South Korea, Yoon Suk-yeol.
South Korea occupies the southern of the Korean Peninsula. The country is bordered by the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, North Korea to the north, the East Sea of Japan to east, the East China Sea to the south, and the Yellow Sea to the west. To the southeast, it is separated from the Japanese island of Tsushima by the Korean Strait. South Korea makes up about 45% and peninsula's land area. Korean Rap, the rock is located for 4 seasons. Mid-latitude temperate climate zone where winters are cold and dry due to the continental high atmospheric pressure. and summer are generally hot and humid because of the North Pacific anticyclone. We have struggled. While the Republic of Korea, South Korea, boldly respects the rights of its citizens, there are significant human rights conquests, especially migrants and people with disabilities. Thank you.
Any delegate to give solution for this problem?
Social, political and economic exclusion can result in poverty, homelessness and exploitation of which can create a higher risk for non-communicable diseases. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Russia, for your valuable suggestion. President from Japan, Fumio Kishida.
And the archipelago are the Shoringan Islands, the eastern edge of the ASEAN. There are 4 main islands, the Hikoria, Hainoshu, Shikoku and the Kaikashu. There are also nearly 4,000 smaller islands. Japan nearly made the island neighbors. Russia in the north and East Korea and China south. Japan has the 4 distinct systems of the climate change in the exit. The subtropical in the Japan, the subtropical in the conditions in the Japan. A technology of the significantly when the artificial, let's say, surface human intelligence, coming the closer directly in the 2017, the software named the Punazo and the Shogi. We have suffering some problems. The child rights. With the child rights, we named the animal rights, returning below the 8 lakhs for the first rights.
Any delegate to suggest? Delegate from says resource participate in projects to understand and advocate of children's rights as explained in the UNCRC and as perspected by children in device contexts around the block. Thank you, delegate from China, for your valuable suggestion. President from Mexico, Andres.
The official legal name of my country is United Mexico States. The official language of my country is Spanish. Education of my country in Mexico, basic education divided into 3 levels. First, primary school ages 6 to 12. Junior high school ages 12 to 15. High school ages 15 to 18. Future of work, we expect 527,000 new jobs to be created in the end of the year. We are struggling for organized crime violence. In the period between 2018 and September 2023, we are told under this equation, this killed in 2022, a reduction to 10.3% compared to 2022. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest? Delegate from France.
Antis faces a crisis of kidnapping, disappearance and other criminal violence that has left over 30,000 people dead each year since 2018. This violence is largely by gangs and drugs, but the state has also committed human rights violation in its war against these groups. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from France, for your valuable suggestion. President from Russia, Vladimir Putin.
Russia country thus reaches on over a vast expanse of Eastern Europe and North Asia, was the preeminent republic of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Russia became an independent country after the dissolution of the Soviet Union in December 1991. The Russia-Ukraine war is an ongoing international conflict between Russia alongside Russian-backed separatists and Ukraine, which began in February 2014. Following Ukraine's revolution of dignity, Russia annexed Crimea from Ukraine and supported pro-Russian separatist fighting the Ukrainian military in the Donbas war. we struggle. Russia's unprovoked invasion of Ukraine in 2022 has set alight the bloodiest conflicts in Europe since World War II. A former Soviet republic and political bonds with Russia, but the world could responsibly harm their relations.
Any delegate to give solution for this problem? Delegate from South Korea.
Mr. Vladimir thinks and give the suggestion. Many proposals have been put forward for how the conflict could or should be brought to a close. Some thought well, entertained involved concessions that would effectively appease Russia, betray Ukraine and endanger Europe.
Thank you, delegate from South Korea, for your solution. President from Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman.
My country is the largest country in the Middle East. It is also the largest oil produce in the world. Saudi Arabia contains the holiest cities in the religions of Islam. Saudi Arabia unemployment rate increased to 5.9% in March 2023 from the previously reported figure of 4.77% in December 2022. Saudi Arabia unemployment rate is updated quarterly available from March 2012 to 2023 with an average rate of 5.75%. By its own admissions, Saudi Arabia is particularly vulnerable to climate change as an arid country with a harsh climate and sensitive ecosystem. Water scarcity is common in Saudi Arabia, most average rainfall. We are facing some issue. Criminal justice. Since Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state, its judicial system is based on Islamic law for both criminal and civil cases. So, as well as try to possible every country issue any delegate. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest this problem? Delegate from Argentina.
The purpose of the criminal justice system was to protect rights and innocence and punish the guilty. But nowadays, system has become a tool of the harassment to common people. So, to protect the new state laws and articles, these are suggestions for your country solve your problem.
Thank you, delegate from Argentina, for your valuable suggestion. President from South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa.
My country, officially the Republic of South Africa. In my country, 9 states and divided into 52 districts. It is the southernmost country in the Africa. It is the largest city and the site of the port of Johannesburg. In my country, black majority still has a substantial number of inhabitants who leads largely impoverished cities. It is among these people that cultural traditions. In my country, most popular sports are football, rugby union and cricket. The country won the Rugby FIFA World Cup. 1998 Human Rights Reports by Miles Nadir. Human Rights Commission Act as 1994. The future of work in South Africa. The fourth industrial revolution of rapid technology advances, climate change and achieving higher incomes. Unemployment causes workers to suffer financial hardship. You are as well as possible given suggestions. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest for this problem?
Mr. Ramaphosa, unemployment. Offering a better education, organization of motivation, poor health our system, public sector reforms and improve system and management. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from Germany, for your valuable suggestion. Now, Prime Minister from Turkey, Binali Yildirim.
Large peninsula that bridges the continents of Europe and Asia. My country is surrounded on 3 sides by the Black Sea, the Mediterranean Sea and the Aegean Sea. Istanbul, the largest city in my country, is built on land in Euro-Balkan Seaway. The city is partly in Europe and partly in Asia.
climate with hot and dry summers and mild but humid winters. Among all sports in my country, the most popular one is football. Human rights are protected by a variety of international law treaties which take precedence over domestic legislation. According to Article 90 of the 1982 Constitution, my country attaches high importance to G20 as a forum bringing together advanced and emerging economy. Therefore, it actively supports to further develop G20 agenda. Turkey was G20 president in 2015 hosted Leaders Summit in Antalya on 15 to 16 November 2015. We have to face some problems, thus the condition of the Turkish economics, growing inflation, jobless, corruption and plundering of Turkish resources and the decline of democratic institutions, freedom and human rights are permanent problems that the opposition campaign addresses. Government is not responding to my problems, so please you have to solve these problems as far as you are possible. Thank you.
Any delegate to suggest for these problems? Delegate from Indonesia.
Mr. Benali, unemployment, a condition in which skilled and able individuals do not get gainful jobs at a decent wage.
From Indonesia for your solution. Now, Prime Minister from UK, Rishi Sunak.
England is a country that is part of United Kingdom. It shares land borders with Wales to its west and Scotland to its north. Future of work. Its current trends run a study path. In 2030, the UK workforce will be multi-generation, older and more international, with women playing a stranger role. Climate change is impacting the environment and human population of the United Kingdom, UK. The country's climate is becoming warmer with rare summer and wetter winter. We face some struggles. In July, the UK ratified the Istanbul Convention, but did so with reservations that include some protection, migrant women and who depend on their observed leaving them without access to secular support and a pathway to escape violence and limit the possibilities of protection from violence committed outside UK territory.
Any delegate give solution for this problem? Delegate from Italy.
Mr. Rishi Sunak, the United Kingdom government has promised to uphold and implement international law on the elimination of discrimination against women. Thank you.
Delegate from UK for your suggestion. Now, President from USA, Joe Biden.
The United States of America USA is a sovereign country in North America. It is commonly called United States or America. The USA theme of G20, criminal circuits and the global health and pandemic preparedness and the global economic recovery. The future of work is evolving in real time as organizations endure profound change on compressed timelines. Comprising are experiencing supply chain stressors, security threats, inflation, mixed economic signals and changing customer expectation amid a tight talent market. Climate. The climate of the United States is highly diverse, ranging from tropical condition in North Florida and heavy to Arctic and alpine in Alaska across the Rocky Mountains. We are facing in some problems: anti-corruption and transparency, economics and climate and economic.
Delegate from European Union.
Anti-corruption and transparency. Transparency is one accepted good of governance. Transparency initiative can be delayed to the corporation and corporate holds the officials and politicians accountable. Thank you.
Thank you, delegate from European Union, for your valuable suggestion. Now, Prime Minister from European Union, David Cameron.
Was first created in 1958 as the European Economic
community by Belgium, Germany, France, Italy, Luxembourg and the Netherlands. The union was established along with its citizenship when the Maastricht Treaty comes into force in 1993 and is subsequently incorporated as an international law juridical person. Into force of the Treaty of Lisbon in 2019, but it beginning to maybe abstract it earliest. The European Union has a significant number of global cities. Under the European climate laws, European climate must cut greenhouse gases emissions by at least 50%. Sports is mainly the responsibility of the member states and international organization rather than of the European Union. We have some struggles from the last 3 years for suffering the poverty and inequality and rule of law and origin of policy.
Delegate to suggest delegate from USA.
Foreign policy is a nation strategy in dealing with other nation amid to changing national objectives. These are suggestions. Do you follow? Your country is followed. Thank you.
Thank you, delegation, to participation in the Humanitarian Model G20. The G20 summit is relevant because it brings together the leaders of the world's largest economies to address critical global issues and work towards finding solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear students. This is a good opportunity for us to participate in the Y20, Yuva Manthan 20. On behalf of G20, on behalf of our Telangana EMR Society, we have been participating in this. You have participated well. You have presented different countries' problems and everything well. Good.